What you got, Rizz? What is it? What's Rizzy got? Oh, Tonto, go see what she's got. Hi. Hi. Rizzy, don't you want it? You want it? Loca bought it for you. What's it? What's it, Rizzy? What you got? You got a bird. A little fluffy baby bird. Ooh. What are you going to do with it? Oh, wow. Tonto's got it now. What are you going to do with it, Tunts? What are you going to do? It's covered in feathers, for God's sake. It's going to be a nightmare. I'm going to have a little go crunching it. Yeah? Come on. Hi, head butter. Hi, Pepper. Oh, it's difficult, isn't it, Tonto? It's covered in blooming feathers. See, these birds that you want all the time, they're not that much fun, are they? Mouses and mooses are much easier. It's a lot of feather for not a lot of meat, isn't it? No. A lot of feather for not a lot of meat. Auntie Loca bought you it. Yes, she did. She was sitting outside waiting for you. You're getting stuck in there. Well done, mate. Not letting the feathers put you off, huh? Means when you bash the phone, it changes the angle of the dangle. Don't be so cheeky. Looks disgusting, Tonto. Just looks like a big feathery. Ugh. You're gonna be shitting feathers. It's hard, isn't it? It's difficult to eat, man. Fair play.